This is the final video to fix Firefox Sync not working on mobile and desktop devices. And if your bookmarks, passwords, or tabs won't sync, this video will solve it. Are you facing the problem where Firefox refuses to sync data no matter how many times you log in or reconnect your account? This usually happens because of outdated app versions, corrupted sync settings, or account authentication issues that block proper syncing. Most solutions online are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow and often don't work. That is why Rexis is sharing a simple secret trick that instantly restores Firefox Sync on both mobile and desktop devices. This easy method works fast, safely, and ensures all your data stays up to date across devices. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix it, comment below and tell Rexis, and you can finally use Firefox Sync without problems.